Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth unboxing for April. This is an essential oil recipe box and it's tons of fun. So I already know the theme is cleaning because they gave us a sneak peek last month, so I'm really excited for that. Right on top you get a bunch of stickers for all your recipes so you can label some of your products when you get done. Then we have our recipe cards. So the first one we have is laundry stain removal roll-on. I'm very excited for that. That's definitely something I could use with my 1-year-old. She stains everything. So on the back of that card, it tells you who they're partnering with this month. Disrupting Traffic. So 13% of all their profits go to a charity. So if you see the 13% on their bottles, that's what that means, which is really awesome. Next we have a foaming hand soap recipe. That one continues on the back of the card, has a couple more steps. This one I'm very much excited about. I've always wanted to make my own laundry detergent, but I never got around to it. So they have a recipe card for that. And again, continues on the back. Then we have tea tree and lemon surface cleaner. Definitely would use that. Then on the back of that card, it talks about the essential oils you get in this box, which I'll show you in a moment. Then we have lemon and nutmeg dishwasher detergent. Fortunately, I don't have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher, but that's a really cool recipe as well. That one talks about the month's theme of home care. And the last one is a natural home diffuser recipe. Really simple mix of a few of the essential oils, and you put in a little dropper bottle and you put in your diffuser. So next month it's going to focus around pets. I like that you get a sneak peek. Alright, so let's take a look inside. We have a spray bottle. This is probably for the surface cleaner recipe. We have the Castile soap. We got some of that. And I'm noticing that they didn't put in borax. So on the recipe cards, if you see an asterisk, that means it's not included in the recipe box or big bonus box, which they always gave you everything you needed. So I'm kind of surprised by that they didn't include that in here, because I do not have washing soda or borax. I mean, I feel like that's the only time you're going to have that is if you make this stuff. That's what that's for. So, and then the Fell soap as well, shredded. So kind of bummed about that. But let's take a look at the essential oils. We have tea tree, one of my favorites. I use that one a lot. Also have lemon, another one of my favorites. Bio Be Gone. That one is probably, let's see what's in there. Ooh, patchouli. Lang Lang, sandalwood, lavender, sweet orange, essential oil. So that's a good blend. And then we have nutmeg. So these are good sized bottles. I do love the subscription. Twice a year you get a big bonus box that comes with a bunch of extra containers and other products like your carrier oils to make the recipes. So I do have unboxings of those on my channel in case you want to check it out. But if you're interested, I will put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.